In this class, we will learn trigonometrical identities, chapter 21 of ICSE class 10 maths. Let's go to exercise 21A. The first question is prove that sec A minus 1 divided by sec A plus 1 is equal to 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. Here the LHS is CK and RHS is cos A. So we will rewrite CK in terms of cos A. So our LHS becomes, what is CK in terms of cos A? CK is equal to 1 divided by cos A. So LHS become 1 divided by cos A minus 1 divided by 1 divided by cos A plus 1. This is equal to, here denominator is cos A, so the LHS is cos A. We have to multiply each term by the LHS. So 1 divided by cos A into cos A. 1 divided by cos A into the LCM cos A get cancelled. This becomes 1 minus 1 into the LCM cos A. 1 into LCM cos A is cos A divided by the LCM cos A whole divided by, here also 1 by cos A into the LCM cos A. It is 1 plus 1 into LCM cos A. It is cos A divided by the LCM cos A. Here the denominator cos A, here also cos A get cancelled. This is equal to 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. That is what we have to prove. So this is equal to the RHS. This is the first question. Let's go to the second. The second question is prove that 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A is equal to cosec A plus 1 divided by cosec A minus 1. Here also LHS is sin A and RHS is cosec A. So we will rewrite sin A in terms of cosec A. So sin A is equal to, we know it is 1 by cosec A. So our LHS becomes, LHS equal to 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A is 1 by cosec A. 1 divided by cosec A whole divided by 1 minus, instead of sin A we will write again 1 by cosec A, 1 by cosec A. This is equal to denominator cosec A, LCM cosec A, 1 into cosec A. It is cosec A plus 1 by cosec A into cosec A, 1 divided by the LCM cosec A whole divided by, again cosec A into 1, it is cosec A minus 1 by cosec A into cosec A, it is 1 divided by cosec A. Cosec A get cancelled. This is equal to cosec A plus 1 divided by cosec A minus 1 equal to RHS. This is what we have to prove. Let's go to question 3. Question 3, prove that 1 divided by tan A plus cot A, tan A plus cot A is equal to sin A cos A, equal to sin A cos A. Here LHS is tan A and cot A, RHS is sin A and cos A. So again we have to rewrite these terms. Tan A is equal to we know tan A in terms of sin and cos, it is tan A is equal to sin A by cos A, and cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. So our LHS becomes, LHS is equal to 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. Tan A is equal to sin A by cos A plus cot A is cos A by sin A. 1 divided by sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A is equal to 1 divided by sin A into sin A. It is sin square A plus cos A into cos A. It is cos square A divided by cos A into sin A. It is sin A cos A. This is equal to 1 divided by sin square A plus cos square A. We know the identity. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So 1 divided by sin square A plus cos square A is 1 whole divided by sin A cos A. 1 divided by 1 by sin A cos A is equal to sin A cos A equal to RHS. Question 4. Prove that tan A minus cot A is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square A divided by sin A cos A divided by sin A cos A. Here also LHS is tan A and cot A. Here is cos, sin, cos. We will rewrite the LHS. LHS is equal to tan A is sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A minus cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. This is equal to sin A into sin A, sin square A minus cos A into cos A is cos square A divided by cos A into sin A equal to sin A cos A. This is equal to, see the RHS here, it is 1 minus 2 cos square A. There is no sin there. We have here sin square A. So we will rewrite sin square A in terms of cos square A. We know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So this sin square A becomes 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A divided by sin A cos A. This is equal to 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A. It is 1 minus 2 cos square A divided by sin A cos A equal to the RHS. Question 5. Sin raised to 4A minus cos raised to 4A is equal to 2 sin square A minus 1. We know that A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. We can write sin square A whole square minus cos square A whole square. This is equal to sin A plus B into A minus B. So sin square A plus cos square A into sin square A minus cos square A. this is equal to, we know sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. So 1 into sine square a minus cos square a. This is equal to sine square a minus cos square a. But there is no cos square here. So we will rewrite cos square in terms of sine. So this is equal to sine square a minus of cos square is equal to 1 minus sine square a. So 1 minus sine square a. Remove the bracket. Sine square a minus 1 minus of minus sine square a is equal to plus sine square a is equal to sine square a plus sine square a. It is 2 sine square a minus 1 equal to RHS. Question 6. Prove that 1 minus tan a whole square plus 1 plus tan a whole square is equal to 2 sec square a. This is of the form a minus b the whole square, which is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 1 square is 1 minus 2ab, 2 into 1 into tan a, it is 2 tan a plus b square, it is tan square a plus a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square is 1, 1 square is 1, then 2 into 1 into tan a, it is 2 tan a plus b square, it is tan square a. This is equal to minus 2 tan a plus 2 tan a get cancelled, 1 plus 1, it is 2 plus tan square a plus tan square a equal to 2 tan square a. 2 plus 2 tan square a. Take 2 common, so 2 into 1 plus tan square a. We know that 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. So it is equal to 2 sec square a. The identity is this: sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. So sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. So 1 plus tan square a becomes sec square a equal to 2 sec square a equal to RHS. Let's wind up this class now. Further questions will be discussed in the next episodes.